Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today it's that time. Yes, my Ipsy subscription, and I'm very excited. And yes, this is for the month of July. Guys, I'm so excited to see what August subscription is going to look like, because you all know that's going to be my birthday. So anyway, before I go on and on and on, let's get into this review. So this is what the bag looked like. Has a nice, I don't know if this is showing up on camera as the correct color, but it's that green with some peach. That's what I would call that color, like a peach. All right, so let's get in the bag. I really like this bag because if there's any product that gets on the bag with these type of materials like a faux leather, you can just easily wipe it off. So I love when they send me these type of material. And as always, they always have a card and it says drive in, drive in, drive in your 5 glam bag picks. Here's what we think you'll love then. Remember to review your bag so we can make sure next month is personalized. And they just give you a list of the products. There you go. It just give you a list of all the products that's in the bag. All right. Let's see what's in the bag. Guys, I'm not a fan. Anyway, this is Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. Smooth generously over the body daily. So you just basically put it on like a lotion, and it's made by Empress, pure herbal extract, and of course it is a lotion. Nothing fancy about the ingredients. The first thing is water. Nothing fancy, but that's about it for that one. So a body lotion. And I only use one specific lotion, so I guess I'll have that in my pocketbook for like a hand lotion. All right, the next thing that I have here is from Benefit. It's a black mascara. It says Roll Lash. And I tried this mascara and I did not see a big difference on it. It says Super Curl and Lift Mascara from Benefit. Nice size. Travel size, and the brush is very different, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to try get some product on it and show you what it looks like. So that's what I'm waiting for it to focus. Focus. There we go. There we go. So that's what the bristle look like. Not a fan of it. It is like a hard bristle, really hard, and it doesn't do anything. The only good thing about it is because it's very small, you can add many layers of mascara to your eyelash. And I think I have a picture that I'm gonna leave somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. But again, this is from Benefit. It says to be visible lift lashes. Yeah, 87% says a visible lift lashes. 97 says it gives long lasting curl. 94% said yes, eyes look more wide opened. I didn't see all of that. I'm one of those percentages you didn't see. And you guys just know that I love to get me some brushes in my set. This is from Luxie 1010. It's a small contour brush. So this will work well for here, but mostly for your nose. You know, when you're trying to join that area, yeah. This will work really nice. And I just like the little design that it has right there. Do you see that? Yeah. I like that little design. I really like, because you know, to have a white brush angle when you're doing your makeup with all that product, it just get dirty really quickly. But when you have black, yes, you want to keep it clean, but then it doesn't show as much as it would on the white, right? Yeah. So I love it. Oh, bristle feels very well. Yeah. Never heard of this brand, but I'm looking forward to use that brush. Then I have one more thing here. Well, two more. This is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Maybe if I put on my glasses, it would be fine, right? Hydrating Primer. And that's what it looks like. Yeah. Watermelon. I'm really gonna try this. It's a primer. I have never used a watermelon primer before. I've used hydration serums and all of that under my makeup, but a primer that has hydration in it is gonna be really good, I think. But I'll keep you guys posted as to what I think it is. Now my last product. This is from Mellow, and this is the Precision Pen Eyeliner. I'm looking for a really good eyeliner, and I'm just hoping that this hit the box. Yeah, and it's black. Looks really good. But that's it, guys. My battery is flashing. So that's all that I have for my July subscription. If you guys have any question about this subscription, leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Share these videos, like these videos, guys, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.